Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Group Policy Management Console, GPMC, on Windows VPS. On Windows Server 2019 or 2022, you can install the GPO Management Console through Server Manager. Open Server Manager. Then select Manage. Add roles and features. Click Next. On the Features option, select Group Policy Management. Click Next and install. Wait a few minutes until the installation process is completed. The GPMC offers various options to manage group policies at the Active Directory site, domain, and organizational unit levels. To start the console, in the Run dialog box, type gpmc.msc. Now here you can see the name of the domain the console is connected to. Group policies are assigned to different organizational units. A list of policies in the current domain is available under Group Policy Objects. To create a new GPO and immediately assign it to an organizational unit, right-click on the required container. Select Create a GPO in this domain, and link it here. Now specify a name for the GPO. Once that's done, you'll see your new GPO assigned to the container you selected in the GPMC console. Note that the GPO is enabled, meaning its settings apply to all objects within a given organizational unit. Select Edit to change the GPO settings. Note that all GPO settings are divided into two sections. There are 3 subsections in each section. There is also a separate Preferences section. It contains an additional set of Group Policy Preferences, GPP, options that you can configure for client devices via the GPO. Close the policy editor now and go back to the GPMC. Any settings you have configured in the GPO will be applied to the clients the next time the group policy settings are updated. Select your GPO to display its parameters. There are 4 tabs available here: Scope, Details, Settings, and Delegation. Active Directory stores GPOs as a set of files and folders in the SYSVOL directory, which is replicated between domain controllers. You can find the directory of a particular GPO by its Git in the Details tab. Use the following UNC path. If you no longer want the policy to apply to clients in this organizational unit, you can either remove the link or temporarily disable it by unchecking Link Enabled.